Apple Vision Pro embraces spatial personas, finally. After being heavily reflected on by tipsters and industry insiders, Apple Vision Pro's much-awaited support for spatial personas have eventually been integrated yesterday. The spatial personas build on the existing persona feature on Vision Pro, but with a touch of tempting enhancements and tweaks that would make the experience more realistic. The feature allows Vision Pro users to break out of the familiar FaceTime tile and feel more present, like they're gathered in the same physical space. Although it took so long to be developed by Apple and kept grabbing headlines, the feature was teased by the iPhone maker last year at WWDC 2023. Speaking of the capabilities of spatial personas, Apple remarked that this feature paves a unique way for Vision Pro users to stay in touch with one another while enabling them to roam around, interact, collaborate, and make eye contact with other Vision Pro users to make the most of shared virtual experiences. Elaborating to developers in a WWDC session video last year, Apple said, in a share play session, spatial personas let you feel present with others in a way technology has never been enabled before. You can look your friends in the eye, express yourself naturally with movement and body language, and best of all, enjoy a shared activity together using your app. Ahead of launching spatial personas, the company said the feature will be supported on Vision Pros running on Vision OS 1.1 or later. Spatial persona option will be shown to users during FaceTime calls and supports up to 5 participants simultaneously.